By the end of today's lesson, you will be able to identify the parts of a leaf and label the different parts of a leaf. Now, in our previous lesson, we learned that there are different kinds of leaves and shapes and, veins, arrangement, everything. Now, I asked you all to bring a leaf. So, we are going to do the activity of leaf rubbing. What I want you to do is to take a leaf and place it under a sheet in your notebook and use your crayons or color pencil and rub on the paper. You will start, the leaf is below, on top of that, like you're coloring. And slowly, what you will see, yes, you will see like in the picture. You can see lines and things, you're tracing the leaf, yes. So now in the rubbing, when you do on your notebook, you see so many kinds of lines and, like a web on it, right? So these form the different parts of a leaf, and let's see what are those. So here you can see this is the petiole. This is the petiole. Then you have the midrib, and then we have the veins, and then you have the blade, the leaf blade. So we are learning about 4 parts of the leaf. Now let's see one by one. So the petiole, it is the part of the leaf which is attached to the stem. You know that, the leaf starts from the stem. So the part which attaches to the stem, we call it petiole. Now blade is actually the thin part of the leaf, the flat part which we touch, the thin flat part, this is called the blade, the leaf blade. Now midrib is actually the main vein which which carries water and other substances to and from the leaf. Okay, so midrib is the main vein which carries the water into the leaf and also back from the leaf sometimes, because the food is made in the leaf and it's sent to different parts of the plant, right? Okay, and then the small lines which branch out from the midrib, it's the veins. So this is the main vein, and then you have small veins coming out of it. Now let's watch a video of this one. Okay, now let's do an activity to see how much you understood the parts of a leaf. So I have attached a PDF file, it's just 1 page. I want you to print it and cut out the 4 leaves. And then you will paste them in your notebook, and on each leaf you are going to label one part of the leaf by coloring it. Like for example, on the first leaf you will label one part of the leaf, let's say petiole, and you will color only that part like this. Okay, on the next one, let's say it's midrib, you will color only the midrib, and below you will write midrib in your notebook. You need to label. So the first leaf you will stick and you will write petiole. The next leaf you will stick color like this and write midrib. Same way you have to label the other 2 parts, the blade and the veins. Okay, and after that I want you to open your notebook, write today's date, write the lesson number 9, investigating leaves, and a subheading parts of a leaf, because we are going to draw a leaf and label it. So you can draw a leaf, you can draw a simple leaf or a leaf like this, it's up to you. Okay, after that you can draw the other parts, and then you're going to label it one by one. You have 4 parts, right? 1, 2, 3 and the flat part. So you label all these in your notebook. Now I want you to open your workbook, page 17, and label the diagram with the words in the box. So the 4 words are given in the box. You need to label them on the leaf. So what is A? You have all those branches there. Yes, it is veins. B, the middle vein, we call it what? Midrib. Okay, what about C? The flat part of the leaf, it's blade. And the part which attached to the stem, it's called petiole. So thank you. With that we come to the end of the lesson. I hope you all really understood and enjoyed the lesson. It's just we learned the parts of the leaf, and I want you all to learn these 4 parts of the leaf. Thank you. Have a nice day.